Hey guys, welcome back. I am slowly but surely working through my She's Crafty Kit series. And I'm using Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, the volume 13 from, the fall. Here's day 25, Daisy Scraps. She is so adorable. Anywho, this is her sketch. So we've got pretty much a central design, some good stuff going here, tags, splatters, whatever. So this one, guys, you could use this in so many ways. Title down here, super fun, love it. Maybe even some pattern paper over here, depending on how you look at the sketch. Great. Now, my photo. This is a photo of Odin, my son's kitty. And this was in October, and he's a cowboy. Isn't he cute? With his little glowy eyes. Ooh. Okay, so I have that. Need to mat it with some, a scrap of white cardstock. So in my kit, let's see. Oh, I've got all kinds of things. We've got a cool background here, and this is by Paper Rose. It has a nice little branding strip. Interesting. We have got more of a solid. This is Cartabella from Craft and Create. It's light pink and green. We have got a piece here. Oh, this is Simple Vintage, so Simple Stories, October 31st. A cool piece here with a brick wall. This was from Reminisce. And then this is Minte Papers. And I believe this is Simple Stories. Okay. Then I've got some thickers in Tuxedos and Tiaras. So just a nice glittery foam. Got a film strip, some cloth pumpkins, a bit of twine, a little bit of sequins, and I believe there's little bats in there. I've got some wood pieces that I need to color up to match our kit, and some enamel dots. Oh wait, and I've got a big sticker sheet, which is going to fill in anything we need. I love this little tree. Look at the detail on that tree. And then we've got, the border stickers, the cuteness. So we've got all of the things. Now I do have Happy Halloween in my wood cut, but I have Happy Halloween here as well. Spook. I don't know. I mean, is he spooky? He's definitely adorable. He's so cute. So I'll come up with something. Who knows? There's a cat. Definitely got to go in with the cat. That is perfection for this. So in the meantime, let me see where my time is because, I'm doing something for work at the same time. Oops. So I love this for the background. I think that is great. Now, for my side pieces that you see on both sides, I'm going to bring in this gorgeousness, and I'll go ahead and tear those edges because, let me get more of a controlled tear because I've been into that lately. Anything can change though, because you know how things go. Oh gosh, guys, my trimmer piece just went flying. It went flying. Do we know how to put it back in? Is it hard? I think we just put it in, right? Is it in? I don't know. It never fell out before. Okay, we're good. We are back in action. So we've got a cute little bit there. Then what I was thinking of is to do this slightly more controlled. So let me line this up so at least one edge is straight, right? Straightish. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just don't care that much. Oh, and we'll have this go this way. I have a line there with a polka dot, line there with a polka dot. And I just wanted to, I want it to go opposite day, guys. Opposite day. What do I want? All right, I'll have to do it on that edge now because I want the white edge. Okay. So that one can be here. I'm going to trim it. I don't want it that big. Same thing going on this side. Let me kind of line that up. Kind of line this up. And guys, I'm going to trim it way back. I'm just trying to get the idea. Am I doing this right? I did it wrong again. What is wrong with me? You guys, I'm not new. I am not new, I promise. Okay, so we have that. So this will be on both of these sides. For example, like this, but much smaller. So that's going to do those sides. And then we have all of those goodies to bring in as well. Now this, okay, that reads orange enough, and I can always cut it. Don't want it down there, but we can always cut it. It's just too big for what I think we have here. But it can totally be a part of the cluster. Then we need a little embellishment down here. And we can have a couple of different kinds of pumpkins with those embellishments. We have one there. You know, I'm going to mirror it and create another one on that edge. I think I'm shimmying things over to my edges. Don't say anything. It's okay. And then we can have this go this way. We can have this piece here. So we have a nice visual kind of vibe here. Now I've got, animal print will be perfect for Odie. For Mr. Odie. I'm going to definitely bring in these pieces too, guys. So I need to tack some things down. I need to map my photo, color up my wood pieces, and I'll meet you right back here. Sorry about that. Yes. Just a quick jump in. I went ahead and just tore a bunch of papers. They're just layered up and I like the way they look. So I'm going to go ahead and plop them down before I lose it and then color my wood pieces. But guys, I just tore a bunch of things up with my ruler. I liked it. I liked the vibe. It looks enough like my sketch that I'm happy. So nice little update. All right, my friends, that is it. I just hit it with a little bit of my Fab Color Splash in Squeeze the Day as well as Black Hole. Guys, I know I've told you before, but when you put your order in at Shimmers Paints, put my name in the comments so you can get yourself a freebie. It's a true thing. It's totally a true thing. All right, so super fun. I have this sweet little memory of Odin documented. I also grabbed some of my Scrap and Happy Studio Flair, little spooky ooky ones, and added them to this layout because I love them so much. And that's what I have. So I'm going to have a few still shots to follow, guys, and I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.